My name is Brad Fisher. I am the Senior Director of Customer Technical Support and Client Services, and I started my career here about 27 years ago as a reference attorney. At that time, we were still in our downtown St. Paul location, and obviously a lot has changed in those 27 years. When I started, there were 8 reference attorneys. We were open from 6 a.m. to 7 p.m., no weekends. We didn't have PCs. We had keyboards and those old green monochrome monitors that were hardwired into the mainframe. Reference attorneys didn't have an 800 number. Every call that came to us came through what was then called customer service, now technical support. And if the call involved Westlaw functionality, those calls were transferred over to us. Back in that day, the most common kind of call that we would get was, how do I use Westlaw? Because at that time, attorneys did not have access to Westlaw while they were in law school. Their first taste of it was when they were practicing, so they didn't have any idea how to use it. How do I find a case if I have a citation? How do I get dog in the same sentence as cat? Do you have my state statutes online? Those are the typical calls that we got. That's been the biggest change I've seen in my time here, the kind of calls that come in. Now when people call in, they're looking for a colleague to bounce their issue off, someone to help them hone down their research, someone who understands the law. So the skill set necessary to be a reference attorney has really evolved over time. Intricate knowledge of how to do legal research is now much more important than it was in the day that I was on the phone. I'm extremely proud of my history of being a reference attorney, and it was a great place for me to start my career.